What up, trappers? We back with another episode. You know how we do it, a day in the trap. This episode kind of similar, a little bit different. We're gonna start off, searching through some Ollie's, hit a little bit of some TJ Maxx, but stick around because I found a banger and it's some sauce that you do not want to miss.
Thank you.
Yep. Five pack. See, now this might be gas. Ready? Alright, it's $12, right? But I want to see if there's like a 1-pack or a 2-pack that sells better. Pack of 8 is going for $38. Shit ain't happening. Today I'm gonna practice scanning things that I don't think are good. See what up with these bang bangs. $12.99, buy box is $32, FBM cost is gonna be $6. These kind of bust, yeah, cause I would get this shit shipped for $6. But these shits is dumb heavy, and my FBM shit ain't the best right now. Most of these stores have them the same flavors. I knew that was gonna happen, and I still did it. I don't know if I want that many of these. Shit, man, them shits do sell, bro. $3 each. I mean, buy box is kind of weird. To be honest, bro, I hate like going deep on shit when I haven't sold one of it yet. But the offer count has also never been this high on those. Oh shit, what the fuck are these, bro? Are you shitting me? Is this real life? These only sell 50 times a month in this variation, bro. $3. Competition is up a little bit. Buy box is $9.97. 100% ROI on this. Let me see if I can list these shits. Yep, this is 100% ROI ski. And they got them in a box, 12 in a box. Damn. Let me make sure these shits ain't about to expire, no dumb shit. What made me hesitant was that the offer count was kind of high right now, and this specific variation is only selling about 50 times a month. But, this is like 100% ROI, so I don't mind just buying these and I'll send them into FBA and they'll sell when they sell. By the time they sell, I'll forget that I bought them and I'll just be like, ooh, some money. But I want to look at it one more time. It's the coconut, man. Anything like super healthy, like aluminum free type shit, bro, like that shit's always gonna go, bro. That's awesome. People like healthy shit. I think I should get these too. I think I'm bitching. You can't be doing no dumb shit. This shit's selling 100 times a month. When I look at the buy box analysis, yeah, bro, fuck it, I'm bitching, bro. I'm grabbing all these orange joints. I don't want the purples. I just want the orange. I don't want the purples, I just want the orange. Plus, the more you have in stock, the more sales you'll get because you'll get favored in the buy box. Fuck it, I got a storage unit. I'll just put this shit in there and just let it chill. It's just like the stock market, boy. Let me find out they got some toys. I'm not a toy salesman. I don't really bang with the toys like that. I do like selling coffee. L after L after L after L. Oh, hold on. Nobody has this in stock. Probably for a reason. Full rack of bullshit. NFBs, non-fuckable bussers. People been selling these shits too, but I never found a listing that was good for these. Cause they got a fuck ton of them right here, my boy. One is going for $9.20. Hold the fuck up. $4.49 divided by 2 times 3. It's giving me $6.75. Whoa. So there's a 3-pack that sells online, but it's gonna cost me $6.70 to buy 3 of them. Or there's a 1-pack for $9.20 and a single costs $2.29. Wait, hold up. So a single costs $2.24. I'm just trying to see if this shit makes sense. They just don't look good. I'm not fucking with it. Nah. Alright, I'm gonna get another car. Watch that car, I'll be back. No cap, they do got a fuck ton. Is that the same price? Yeah. You know what's crazy? I was on a call with a student earlier today that lives local to here. And I told him about this. And I was like, yeah, bro, you better go get that shit before I go get it. Didn't come get it. Didn't come get it, bro. What'd that tell you? Motherfuckers don't really be on it, bro. Cause he could've came here and got all, bro, I gave him all these leads except for that new one that I just found. Cause I didn't know about it. Bro, never came and got it. Not my problem. Yeah, my tap ready to be a fucking, my tap ready to be wild when I check out. Right, have a wild tab. Multiples of 4, I gotta make sure. So, all right. I got 2, damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 24 times 9 minus 4. So I got 212 Colgate. Is that real? 212 Colgates. And the Aquafresh is 12 in a box. And I got 1, 2, 3. When somebody gives you a product lead and you don't go and buy all of it before they do, you deserve to be broke. That's all I got to say. All right, now I want to count this shit up. I want to make sure I pay for exactly what I got, bro. Because sometimes I be feeling like they be fucking up the count or some shit. Bro, I need to figure out what my true margin is about to be from that shit now, bro. Essentially, I bought so much shit, the clerk didn't want to count it all, so she basically gave me 50% off my whole fucking order. So I really don't even know how much I truly just spent, bro. I mean, I know what I spent, but I don't really know my true margins for this shit. I gotta figure it out. Oh my God. Bro, my bill was supposed to be $1,400. That shit was $700. This one was the most expensive one. I said I had 212, bro. She scanned it like 10 times, bro. She said, I gave you a discount, so take advantage. I'm damn sure taking advantage of that. Thank you. I'm about to get your number. I'm about to get rich off this shit right here, boy. That's all, this shit all profit, basically. The ball should have came, bro. I gave him the gems. He should have pulled up. I told him to come get this shit, bro. He didn't come get it. Now look what happened. I got this shit for 50% off, bro. And you know what was crazy? I sat here and counted all this shit and expected to pay full price, and the universe was like, I got you. And I got this shit all in the boxes too. What a day. What a lick. Yo, you don't gotta do wholesale to do wholesale, bro. Look at this shit. I invented a whole new method. Wholesale arbitrage. Y'all seen it here first. Wholesale arbitrage. You don't need an LLC or a supplier. You don't need a supplier to do wholesale. You don't need a reseller permit to do wholesale. Three carts for real. That's insane, bro.
Let's hope we don't get her fired.
She gonna get herself fired, if anything, bro. My debit card got enough money for what I put in my cart, bro. She didn't feel like doing her job. We're not gonna put her on blast, you feel me? But 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 50, 53. She only charged me for 53, bro. I'm about to tell you how much I really got them shits for. She single-handedly just helped me fucking cook. Bad, bro. 212 plus I got 100 yesterday. That's not bad, bro.
What's that, like 800?
750. Just on that one product alone, bro. We didn't even break down the other shit yet. Shout out to Ollie's, man.
Well, yeah, bro. So I was ready to ask you, right? So since I bought them items and I'm about to get ungated for grocery, I should only be trying to shop for food items, right?
Nah, scan everything.
And then it's a potential that I could still sell it.
Yeah. This ain't bussin'. This shit is 30% ROI and it's meltable, which means you can't FBA it, which means that you have to FBM it, which means that I have to do more work than I want to, which means that I'm not selling that shit. You can get that shit if you want to fuck with it. I ain't trying to fuck with it, yo. You probably will have better luck in the beauty aisle, bro. You feel me? What's up with this Harry's? You fucking with that shit? Bro, hold on, cause I think I just found a whacker. I think I just found a whackable item. Look, a 2-pack for $20, but I'm getting a 4-pack for $6. You gotta have that eye. Let's see what Harry. Oh, hold on, but that rank is so bad. 250.
That mean ain't nobody buying that shit?
It means it's moving slow. Oh, I found a fucking busser. A busser. $7 buy cost, $22.15 sale price. Well, actually, I could match the lowest FBA seller and bust their head. $640 profit, 91% ROI. They got a 3-pack. They got 3 of them right here. There's something I could FBA though. Whoa, buddy. You know what? With certain products like this, bro, like people will come in the store, like Amazon sellers, and they'll find this shit, and you always know when that happens, bro. Cause look at this shit. In the last month, the offer count went from 3 to 27, and the price went from $28.99 to $22.15. It's yachtable though. Shit like this, bro. You gotta find the products before the people find them and fuck them up. You gotta find the gems. Burp. All day, man. Retail, wholesale. New hybrid arbitrage.
Yeah. Tryna fuck me cause I'm rich. I should send her an invoice for the dick. And now I got it topless at my home. Oh, cause she like my cologne. I'm like, girl, what the fuck is going on? She got a body on body on body on body on body on body. Yeah, I put her late, I was off the blue, cause she the Zeros ain't got no biscotti. Yeah, I'm on the beer, but